Hey, it's Sherri Plotke, your local Greater Phoenix real estate broker. We are touring you through Union Park in North Phoenix. It's 85085. Today we're taking you through the beautiful Cachet model homes. Hope you guys enjoy the tour and feel free to make some comments. Look forward to your thoughts and what you think of this community and the homes that we're showing you.
If you've been looking for a vibrant lifestyle where connection and convenience go hand in hand, look no further than Union Square by Cachet Homes. Nestled in a friendly neighborhood, Union Square offers a collection of brand new stylish homes designed for modern living. You step inside and discover open floor plans bathed in natural light, perfect for entertaining family and friends. High-end finishes and designer touches create a space that reflects your unique style. But Union Square isn't just about the beautiful homes, it's about the life you build with them. Relax by the sparkling community pool, unwind in the hammock garden, or gather with neighbors around the fire pit. Union Square fosters a sense of community where you can connect with like-minded people and create lasting memories. And for the active family, Union Square boasts a dedicated playground for the little ones, while parks and trails right outside your doorstep provide endless opportunities for exploration.
Please don't hesitate to reach out with questions anytime. And thank you so much for watching.